So in this video we'll see how we can deploy React application in the GitHub pages. First, we have the boilerplate code for the React application. We will use npm start to run the application. So our React application started in localhost 3000. Now let's see what are the configurations which we need to do to set up GitHub. Foremost thing, to deploy to GitHub pages, we need to install npm i gh-pages. After installation, we could see gh pages in the dependencies of the package.json. Now we'll head into the GitHub and create a new repository. We'll keep it in public. Click on the create repository. We get sample GitHub codes. We can run it to initialize GitHub in our local React application. Let's use git add dot to add all of the file changes to the state changes, and git status would give all the file changes in the green color. We'll use the commit command to commit the changes which we have in our local. So we are switching the branch and we are setting the remote origin to the repository which we have created, and we are pushing the changes from local to the remote. Now if we head into the code section, we would see all the code changes which we have done in our local. In the settings pages, still we are not seeing any of the URL for the GitHub pages. So we have missed to add homepage attribute in the package.json. So it should be the GitHub name and GitHub username / the repository name which we have created. I have pasted all of the code in the description so that you can refer. So now that we deployed React application in GitHub, now let's see how we can update the changes and then deploy it. So I'll just modify the text to update it. For that, let's use npm run deploy. These commands has to be added in the package.json, which is mentioned in the description, and we'll use the same commands to push the code from local to the remote. We need to commit the changes by giving a message. We can use the VS Code source code control. So the text got updated. Thanks for watching.